Actually, ito ay coordinated sa Lawag City at saka sa Regional Office, Region 1. Lahat ng participants namin, nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, etong ating talk, eto yung kailangan nating audience, and they recommended yung mga schools na to. Usually, ano yan, mga science school dito sa Lawag, yung in-invite natin. Kasi nga, ang gusto natin, kaya ang NSW, ating inigagala, no? Last year, galing tayo sa Mindanao. This year, nandito tayo sa North Luzon, no? Next year, babalik tayo ng Mindanao, no? Kasi gusto natin na sa region pa lang, nagkakaroon na sila ganitong karanasan. At ayun yung naging route natin, no? Katulong yung regional office. Remember, in DOST, we have what we call one DOST where we help each other, we support each other, we ask each other for yun, mga ganito technical assistance, no? And not only that, no? It's also a testament to how science should be. No, science is collaborative. Science is inclusive. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng isang scientist, mas magaling ako sa'yo. That's how science works. In the field of science, we need to work together. Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng isa, mas maganda itong ginagawa ko over you. In DOST, we share our findings to everybody.
Pero sir, how are we making sure na sustainable po ito, na we keep the interest alive for the kids po?
Okay, maganda tanong yan. In fact, ito ay hindi lang namin ginagawa pag NSTW. Ginagawa namin ito throughout the year. So meron kaming ongoing tinatawag namin expert to class, meron kaming magandang bukas mula sa pagtuklas, meron kaming iShare. These are activities where we go from one region to another during the off-season ng NSTW. At this year nga, siguro nakaikot kami ng around 8 regions. At hindi lang to yung first time na ang audience ay kids. In fact, sa Gensan, no, ang audience namin, mga special kids. Yeah, yung mga PWDs, yung mga children with special learning needs. At kinikwento namin ang science sa kanila. And they were very appreciative kasi first time na merong nagkikwento tungkol sa tarantula sa mga batang may special needs. And that's what we do. So, para sustain ba yung enthusiasm, alam mo yun, kasi gusto nga natin, bata pa lang sila, magkaroon na silang interest to be scientists.